Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and type in onlyfans.com. Now on the screen, you're gonna see you have to give your login details, then log in into your OnlyFans account. Once you've logged in, at the bottom of the screen, you're gonna find options like home, notifications, create new post, chat, and a profile. You're gonna have to stay on home, where on the top right corner, you're gonna find two icons there, search and three dots menu. Tap on search, then type in the username of the creator or the person that you blocked, and tap on done. Once you do that, the creator will appear under the post or its profile will appear on the screen. Go to their profile, where you're gonna find unblock user button right beside the profile picture of that person. Tap on unblock user and that's it. And guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.